R2 here. You good?
Listen up, attackers! You're looking for the smokes to start!
Don't get me kill point, man.
Oh, come on, point man.
At least we got smokes. You smoke?
Yeah.
I've been a smoker for...
Alright.
Can you stop with your single file?
Huh?
Can you stop with your autism?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Hey, we gotta do like the
D-Day.
D-Day.
Yeah, D-Day with the Japanese.
I agree.
We invaded the beaches in Normandy with a Kalashnikov.
Stop stepping on me, you creep.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Kalashnikov was on the complete other side of the Europe.
This is close enough.
When this gate goes down, we all push, okay?
Yeah.
All right, don't stop. Do you have a samurai?
Go! John! Oh, frick! Holy foul! Hit! Oh, I'm hit! Oh, I'm hit! Oh my gosh! Whoa. Bro! Holy! Oh! What is this? Max, I'm already out of a mag. Bro, that's gonna look so cool though, I can't even tell you.
We actually went straight this time.
I know.
Where are we? You guys are you guys responding? No.
We don't need to wait for 6 people this time, he said. We can just go. Oh my gosh, bro. We might have to go right.
Yeah. What do you mean, left or right?
Right, like right.
Okay, people, we need to push up. Damn, Kylie, where'd you go?
Okay.
Bro, we got effed up right
Why is it so quiet? It's D-Day, it's supposed to be loud. Alright, moving up. Alright, keep it covered. Or push up.
Mama!
3, 2. Oh, mine. Alright.
Right behind, right behind. I don't like this.
This way? This way?
Yeah.
Ready?
I'll cover you.
Go. Hey, Max! Okay, 2 options. Back, forward.
What?
Back, forward. 2 options. Pick.
What are they doing? Are they coming back?
I don't know.
I mean, forward, we don't really have a good chance. This makes sucks.
Well, we're screwed back here right now.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, my.
Oh, they're
my,
shooting back here.
My right arm got effed.
This is a bad spot.
Want to try way left?
We could.
You have range?
Not really. Oh, dang.
We're up on the hill.
I have Bert, but not range.
Come on me, baby.
Oh, they're all pushing left. They're all pushing left.
I gotta reload.
They all just died. Okay. Frick, bro.
I reload.
To our right.
Dude, this is yeah.
Frick, I can't get my leg in the thing.
Damn, y'all. You got visual, right? You gotta leave.
I got some ammo. No. Do you see any?
What are we doing?
No.
Great.
What are we doing?
Are they up?
Stroke your barrel now. Well, that pistol is freaking crazy.
Oh, a lot of them are dead.
Move up, let's go. He's coming. Whew.
They're all to the left.
What the fuck?
Watch left, Mason.
Bruh.
Dead man walking. That's Polish or whatever.
I know.
Yo, we should all hide behind him.
I agree now.
I hate that these don't have any knee pads, bro.
Dude, we got like no cover here. This is bad.
They might push back to their other sector soon, so we can push up from there. What's up, dude?
Totally radical. You're dry firing, bro.
I know. This fucking mag sucks.
Right, we're gonna push.
Push.
Bridge?
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, go!
Go!
Oh, push across!
Woo.
Come on, boys.
Poor Blondie, bro. Poor Blondie.
Go, go, go!
Move up, move up. Go, go, go.
Push!
Woo. Don't stack. Just keep going. Go, go, go. Keep moving, keep moving. Go, go, go. Don't stack, don't stack. Hit, hit, hit. Woo. Holy. Max. Woo.
Wow, I refilled one of my bags. And I got my pistol still. Yo, maybe I should get a pistol. Ow!
Did you just get raped?
No, my freaking hose.
Oh, frick, man. All right,
Okay, I need to.
we gotta try to move, bro. We're all on this berm now. We don't got.
Bro, we're making it up.
Hey, they're moving up. They're moving up. Let's go. Let's go. Slowly move. Slowly move. Watch top. Oh, okay, I just got. Fun.
Where'd it hit you?
Oh. Oh, I'm gonna get. Oh. Call an ambulance.
Oh, call an ambulance! Call an ambulance! But not for me!
Dude, I'm so.
Bro, that hurt my my main nerve in my neck. Oh.
Bro, I almost got hit.
Yeah.
Where's the new spawn?
Dude, second time I've got pull out in my neck in the last 5 minutes.
Alright, they're pushing up now.
All you gotta do is hit it, and you guys are good.
Oh, we gotta touch it. Okay, hey, touch it.
Is this the respawn?
Yeah. All right, let's go. So I can get shot in the neck again.
I just realized I was shooting from my spawn for like 2 minutes.
Something wrong? What?
Whoops.
I say we go to the right.
To the right? Okay, let's go. Hey, let's just dance over there now. They don't got good range.
Maybe they won't shoot us because we're having a good time.
I know, right?
Oh wait, no, that's 15 minutes.
There's some guy to the right here.
Is he up?
He's like above that door in the window.
Okay.
You know what I'm gonna do?
Top right window. Kazona.
I say we go around that way.
He's got what everybody watching our video should do. The patch. No, this one right here.
Oh.
Thank you. Free plug. No.
Hey, bro. Hey, hey. There you go.
No, there's not much over there.
All right. I say.
Oh, holy camel toe. No. Fun. That was close, brother. Bro.
Top right window.
Look at that dude. Yeah. Oh man. They're moving up. Oh, hello.
He's hit.
Dude, I don't like peeking the right side anymore. I'm gonna go this way.
Might want to call dead man. You lost the back on there.
Ah, that next shot was bad. They're right on my collarbone, bro. Yikes.
What's up, guys? What's up? They're inside.
Is that Draco?
Draco Malfoy? No.
See, if this was like actual war, we just sit tight here, wait for artillery.
Actually, this isn't real war.
Oh, I see him. I know.
Hey, Tyler,
You know where he is? We just need to smoke his ass.
who's in the container? Is that
Some dude's singing.
No. Wait, what container?
Hang on, Charlie. I can't see crap.
Oh, they're pushing. Hey, everybody's pushing up. Next container. Everyone's pushing up next row.
Hey, I'm gonna do what I'm.
Hey, come here, come here, come here. I am sick of your attitude. All right.
Well, should we push? I'll go first if you want.
Hey, ref. We're about to get in a verbal argument, just to let you know, okay?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey now.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Hey, now.
I'll back up. He hit me. He hit me.
Ref, what? Ref.
See? Whoa, whoa. Okay. All right, let's go. Ready? Go, go. Spool, spool, spool. Oh, no, no. All right.
That's okay. Well,
Hey, look, it's a grasshopper. Oh.
don't trip now? I did. Too late.
Here, maybe we should go farther left. Bad spot, bad spot.
he's waiting. How we doing? Rick, my knees hurt.
Bottom floor, lower right window, we got a guy waiting in there.
See, the thing is, it'd be nice to push all together, but what if there's someone just...
Right. Yes, we need a push.
Well,
I'm scared of the dark. I can't do this, man. I can't do this.
If someone could get up to the flank, maybe there'd be some cover fire there.
Oh.
Whoops. What? Hey, there's one on the bottom floor. Of that guy.
Hey, some of them are walking out because they're out of ammo, so that we can do that to our advantage.
Back me up.